Hi everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Maria Luisa Mata. For today, let me teach you the English pronunciation poem by Gerard Knowles. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse, sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you so busy, make your head with hit grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your jest will tear. Social eye, oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, bird, and herd. Diet and diet, lord and word. Sword and sword, retain and retain. Say break and stake, but break and stake. Cloven, oven, how and low. Hear me say, devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, missiles, topsails, isles. Exils, similes, and revels. Scholars, vicar, and cigar. Solar, Micah, war, and far. One, anemone, Balmoral. Kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind, and mine. Scene, Melpony, mankind. Science, conscience, scientific. Liberty, livery, heaven, and heaven. Racial, ache, mosaic, 11. We say hallowed but aloud. People, leopard, toad, but wow. Mark the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover. Riches, breeches, wise, precise. Chalice, but police, and lies. Camel, constable, unstable. Principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tor, but art, and soccer, for. Gas, alas, and arcanas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Palm, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian. Sally with Ali, ye, ye. I, A, way, and K. Neither, leisure, skin, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary. Cursive and disease, and airy. Face but per face, not e-face. Large but target, give, virgin. Off, out, just, and scourging. Ear but earn, and wear, and tear. Bouquet, wallet, mallet.